Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your closet into a office. I was so excited that I was able to transform the space, and I'm really happy with it because it still gives me a space that I can work without, inching away from my room. So I think you guys would love this video. So if you think you are interested, keep watching. So right here, I am just removing all the clothing from that side of the closet. If you guys don't know, I actually just recently went through like a closet wipeout, so I actually have a lot of space on the other side, so it works out really perfectly. And that closet actually used to have 3 mirrors, but I took one off and I used it as like a room mirror, so it just like works out so perfectly. So I just have that space now for my office. So feel free to do this at any closet. It's actually really easy. You'll see the steps here in a second. Alright, so I got my desk off of Amazon. That's the box there that you guys see. It was about, I want to say like $50. I'll have the link down below in the description box for those of you who are interested. But y'all, it was a lot to build. Like, look at the pieces that I'm taking out. Praise the Lord for my dad. Eventually he came in and like helped me because he was just like, oh, poor daughter. But it's actually, perfectly possible to build by yourself, but the instructions do recommend you to have 2 people. But I was honestly almost finished with my dad helping, so you got it. Alright, I just kind of fast forwarded to the place where I was almost done. This is what the desk looks like. I'm just putting in the drawer, and now it's time for decorating. Alright, so I got these 3 boards at Walmart. It was about $24, so it's like a big one that has a calendar and a smaller whiteboard and another cork board. So it was actually super easy to hang up. It came with these little hooks to put in your wall, so that was super easy. So this is just me kind of like figuring out where I want everything to be and working on that. For some more decorations, I got these little fake succulent plants from Amazon. They were like $4, but I figured I was gonna just use them around my room since I'm kind of like room remodeling right now. So stay tuned for more of those videos. But yeah, this is just me trying to figure out how I want to style this desk, and I actually think it looks really nice at the end. So I'm actually, kind of proud of myself. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, pretty affordable, but I still think it looks really cute. And for those of you who are interested, I'll also have that light fixture, the little desk light, down below in the description box as well. I thought it was really cute, really sleek, and goes really well with like kind of like my white and gold theme in my room. So here is the final look. Super excited. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I'm still, in the process of decorating. I'm going to add my computer on there. Obviously, I'm still waiting for my chair that I got on Amazon. But I was like so excited to record this video. So that chair is not going to come until like early next month. But yeah, this is my desk area. So I got these boards from Walmart and I just kind of put them up here and staggered them. On here it's just the calendar. And then over there, I just have like a cork board, and I put like my vision board on there, as well as some 2021 declarations that I have. If you guys want to know what my vision board looks like, I will have the link down below in the description box where I walk through literally everything and how I made it. And then on here, I just have my to-do list and things that I want to write down to encourage myself. So this is the desk here. I got the desk on Amazon. It was like $50 something. And I'll have the link down below for this desk if you are interested. So on here, I just have this D. Literally, I've had this forever, but I got it at the thrift store, and I painted it gold. I thought it was cute because D for my name, Danny. And then I got this really nice light. I really like it a lot. You can like change the settings. Let me show you guys. That's pretty awesome. So I think it was like a cute desk light. I also got this on Amazon. I have the link down below. And I have this little candle. I've had it for forever. It's like a fake candle, but it's so cute. And I got these little fake succulents on Amazon as well. I thought they would be a lot much bigger, but that's okay. The desk is pretty small, so I don't want to take up too much space with decorations. And then down here, I built my little library so far. And I have like another succulent plant there, and then I have a diffuser right here. I am in the process of like getting rid of everything on here because I'm gonna sell this stand thing, so I'm gonna just be like transferring most things to over here. But yeah, and this has like a little drawer thing inside, so I think it's pretty nice. And if you look at it, this is my new office. I'm really excited about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, but stay tuned. I will be doing like a whole room makeover. Like I'll be painting my walls. I'm gonna be changing all the floors. Like literally everything in my room is gonna change. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe and put on your notifications so you can be notified whenever I post it, because I'm so excited for that video. But this is my little office area. I am so excited right now. Like I have to think about what I want to do up here because it's kind of bland. Maybe I'll have like more things to hang up there. Because I don't want to have any clothing because I don't want it to feel like it's a closet, because I'm literally going to leave this open. So let me know if you guys have any ideas in the comments. Let me know what I can put up there. Maybe some like decorations hanging down. But yes, please let me know so I can do that and make it more exciting. But yeah, here is my finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And also ignore all this white on the floor. This is like all the foam from like building the desk. There was so much like foam pieces. Look at my room. It's a hot mess right now, but we shall fix it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.